Guys, labas na kayo dito. Papasok na kami. Baka kayo naman yung madulas. Wall cladding tiles. Let's go on this side. Let's go on this side. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so let's go inside, guys. We are now at the entrance of the house. So this is the main entrance. Wait lang. Doon muna kayo, may tao. Sabi ko na lumabas na kayo eh. Sabi ko na lumabas na kayo. Isara mo na yan. Okay, game. Okay, labas, labas. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, we are now at the main entrance. Let's go inside. Okay, so welcome. So first, let's go here. Solid wood stairs. Let's go, guys. Because we are going to check in a bit. Let's go to the first bedroom. In here, we have another third bedroom with bunk bed. So there's also a modular cabinet. And here, we have ensuite toilet and bath. All the toilet fixtures are already included. Glossy finish. Pucha, umulan pa kasi. Dapat kasi sa labas to eh. Hello, Batangas. So, andito kami ngayon sa Puerto Laia and recorded na ba yan? Yun yung pangit eh. Hanggang 10 lang yung video, okay. Gusto ko pa naman mga kantahang Dilayla, mga pang alas 12 yun eh. So, before we start our Christmas party, we have to tour this house first. So, you guys have an idea about the space areas and how beautiful this house is. And ito, nagsiset up kami ng dalawang camera. Hala, parang natutumba. Nahangin, natutumba yan. Pag ito natumba, wala na. Goodbye na yung career ni ano. Oh, hindi mo rin alam, di ba? Hindi ko rin alam eh. Di ba dapat dito yan? Since outfit muna kasi may brand eh. Meron ba? Tumutunog? Ito. So kung kaliwa mo ilalagay, pwede na siguro sa labas. Soundbar check meron? Dahan. Rinig ba to? Parang yan. Patingin niya ako kung rinig. Sound mic check. Sound mic check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sound mic check. 1, 2, 3. Today, for the very first time, this property sits in a lot area of 280 square meters with a floor area of 400 square meters in a 2-story modern. Uy, wala na oh. Sound mic check. 1, 2, 3. Ayun. Sound mic check. 1, 2, 3. Today, for the very first time, we will feature a rental property with swimming pool, jacuzzi, billiards, and karaoke. And on top of those amenities, this is also walking distance to the White Beach ba to, Kim? White Beach yan dyan. And on top of those amenities, and on top of those amenities, this is also, today, for the very first time, we will feature a rental property. Sinasabi ng 2-story it features up to 30 plus. 4 toilet and bath, 2 car carport. Okay, game, 30 persons. Today, for the very first time, we will feature a rental property with swimming pool. Hindi mo nga din. Mabilis na ito. Mabilis na. Dapat pala naka-ano. Hindi ako nakatayo. Isa pa, pakisara. Retake. Tapos isara mo konti. We'll make this tour as quick as possible because we are about to check as we are going to celebrate